Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to turn off Gemini on your Android phone and get your classic Google Assistant back. As we move through 2026, Google has made Gemini the default, but you can still revert to the old school experience if you prefer. So let's get right into it. First, you need to disable the standalone Gemini app to clear it from your site. Open your app drawer, find the Gemini icon, and long press it until the menu appears. Tap the I or App Info icon, then select Force Stop followed by Disable. This removes the app from your home screen and drawer. But keep in mind that since Gemini is baked into the Google app, your power button or Hey Google command might still trigger the AI interface until we finish the next step. Next, you have to manually swap Gemini back for Google Assistant. Open your Google app, tap your profile picture in the top right, and go into Settings. Look for the Gemini section and scroll all the way to the bottom to find Digital Assistants from Google. Here, you can toggle the selection from Gemini back to Google Assistant. Even though Google has been phasing out the legacy assistant, this toggle remains the primary way to restore the classic voice experience and simple task handling you're used to. Then, you should opt out of Gemini integration in your productivity apps. Google has been rolling out AI features across Gmail, Docs, and Drive for everyone this year. If you want a clean, AI-free workspace, you need to visit the official opt-out page at workspace.google.com/individual/AI plan/opt-out in your mobile browser. Check the box to disable these features and hit Submit. This will remove the Help Me Write buttons and AI summaries from your Google apps instantly. Finally, if you want to clean up your search results too, you should disable AI overviews. These are the AI-generated summaries that appear at the top of your Google searches. To do this, tap the Labs icon, the little beaker, in the top left of the Google app or on the Google homepage. Find the toggle for AI overviews and turn it off. This ensures you get a traditional list of search results without the AI-generated content taking up the top half of your screen. And that is it. Your Android is back to its classic AI-free self. If this decluttering guide helped you take control of your phone today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.